Welcome to HCP Pump. Today we will show you our new products, AFC Series 4-pole pumps. HCP launched 4-pole AFC quarter pumps in 2020. Let's take a look at the pump's outstanding ability to cut objects to pass through it. The leading feature of the 4-pole AFC is the unique impeller. Tungsten carbide etched impeller is perfect for pumping sewage and breaking, tearing debris. This construction allows the inner cutting blades to break down destructible solids to prevent clogging. Combined with the special design casing cover, it could provide a better threading effect. Hardened casing cover and impeller are designed to withstand the abrasion. These special parts realize both high pump efficiency and object cutting capability. This time we roll out these 4 models, from 3 horsepower to 10 horsepower. Discharge size of new AFC is from 80mm to 150mm. And the casing cover inlet size is from 50mm to 65mm. Here are some applications AFC pumps used in. Let's witness its cutting ability and non-clogging function. AFC standard accessories include cable with an epoxy resin sealed water-resistant cable base, auto-cut motor protector, double mechanical seals, and lip seal design. These make HCP AFC pumps high quality. Here is the performance curve for different models. AFC pump, your best choice.